So here's something that we see a lot, that obviously this street has seen better days, and there's been some repairs here, but something that we're constantly working on is street improvements, infrastructure improvements. And as you can see, this street, we're probably going to have to call this in because there's a lot of damage here. This is actually a hole that I worked with the residents about a year and a half ago or so, maybe 2 years ago, to get that repaired. And as you can see, it's already getting worse. And so we've got a lot of streets that look like this, and again, some that are much worse. And so this is just a constant battle. There is a schedule that the city is on of street repairs and resurfacing of streets, and that's just kind of an ongoing schedule. And sometimes you just have to wait for your street's turn. You may have noticed, if you live in Forest Hills, that there was some recent alley improvements, and so that was just part of the schedule. And so if you live in another part of the district and you're wondering, when's my alley going to be improved and worked on, you should be on the schedule coming up here pretty soon. But call this in. If you see this, you can call me. You can use the click fix on our city website and call these things in and report them. And you know, this is one of those things, if you see it, report it, and we'll get on it right away. But these are just ongoing issues that we have to work on. So again, these are things we have to work together on improving.